Alright guys, welcome back to the Tech Studio, and today's guide will show you how you can fix if your Samsung Smart TV is working slow, lagging, or having any kind of performance issue. Then here's the step-by-step guide. This video is going to be super helpful, but before that, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to fix your Samsung Smart TV slow and lagging problem, the very first thing that you have to do, you just need to check out your storage and RAM. So now to do that, from the TV homepage, go all the way to the left side until you see this option called settings. And once you get the settings, just press the upper button from your remote and this will get into the quick settings. So you just need to go all the way to the right side until you get to see this option called TV device manager right here. And once you get the TV device manager, just go and press OK button from the remote, and this will take a little time, and this is going to get into the TV device manager. And here you can actually check out your CPU, RAM, and storage. As you all know that the performance is actually depends on the CPU, RAM, and storage, so you just need to fix all of these at once. So now to do that, the very first thing that you have to do, he'll get to see the first option comes up with the CPU. We can see the CPU, how much CPU is actually using your TV. And from the CPU section, make sure the clean now button is selected, and once you do that, press OK from the remote, and this will take a little time, and this will automatically clean your CPU. And once it's said clean, that means your first process is done. Now get back to the second one, is the RAM. So RAM is, he'll get to see it's using 57%. So if you see it is using 70 or 80% or more than that, then you might need to clean up your RAM. So now to do that, make sure the clean now is selected, then press OK from the remote, and this will take a little time as well, and your RAM will be automatically cleared by deleting unnecessary apps and games from the background. And once the RAM is cleaned, you just need to go all the way to the right side to the storage section. You'll get to see the storage, so you'll get to see the show app list is showing right here. So just press OK from the remote, and this will take a little time, and this is going to show you all the app that you have installed on your TV so far. So you can actually go ahead and look at this, the unnecessary app that you can find out from your TV. So if you found any unnecessary app, go ahead and select that. You can select multiple if you want to. So go all the way to this one and select the unnecessary apps, and at the top you'll get to see the delete option right here. You can select the delete button, tap on delete, and this will take a little time, so you can actually go ahead and tap on OK and delete those applications from your TV. And doing this will give you much free storage, and that will help you to boost up your TV performance. But there's a last thing that you guys can do in order to fix the problem. Is all you have to do just to get back to the home page of your TV, and from the home page just go ahead and go all the way to the left side to the settings option once again, and then press OK from the remote, and this will bring up your TV settings. You just need to go all the way to the support option. You just need to go down, and inside the support you just need to press the side arrow button from the remote, and you'll get to see the software update. Go and tap on software update and tap on OK once again from your remote, and this will take a little time, and this is going to check for your TV update. So if you have any available TV update, go ahead and update your TV to the latest version in order to fix any bugs that you have running on. For me here it says I'm on the latest version, but if you have any pending update, go ahead and update your TV to the very latest version. And once you do that, most likely your slowing or lagging problem will be fixed. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.